In this tutorial, we will cover how to create and edit a simple website plugin. We will use events as an example, but the process is nearly identical for the other three plugin types. Let's start in our WhatsUp 24/7 dashboard. Click Plugins from the menu on the left. Next, click Create a Plugin. Give this a name to help distinguish it from other plugins. I'm calling this one Community Events. If you know the URL where this plugin will be embedded, add it here. If you aren't sure yet, come back later to update this info. Having this URL helps streamline support with your plugins if you ever need it. Now, here's where we select the type of plugin we are creating. Our system defaults to Event, and I'm going to leave that. Click into this next field to select a layout. I'm going to leave this on List, and we will look at the other options in a moment. This section is where we decide whose events we are going to display in the plugin. You can choose from your own organization's events, co-promoted organizations' events, or events from selected zip codes, or a combination of these. For our example, let's select this last box. Include all events from selected zip codes. This is a great way to capture a large, generalized area. It's a good place to start promoting an entire community. Start typing in zip codes here. Click on the city, state, and zip code that displays to confirm. Does the area you are promoting have lots of zip codes to enter? Try entering the first few digits only, and a long list will appear to choose from. Scroll and click zip codes to add. This will make things faster for you. If you want your plugin to include only certain categories of events, select them here. For this example, I'm leaving this field blank, which includes every category. Now I'm scrolling a little further down the page so you can see the plugin preview. This is what that default list layout looks like. I like it! Let's change the layout to calendar and see what that looks like. That's a good option to have too. Now let's check out this grid layout for events. Great. I love this look, so this is the one I will use. Now that I have my plugin looking how I want it to, I'm going to click Create Plugin. Our platform generates this HTML code snippet that can be embedded on a website. Finally, I'm going to click Copy Code. When you get your plugin set up, copy and share your code snippet with your web developer or IT professional and ask them to embed it on an events page on your website. Here's what it looks like when we paste this code snippet into an HTML element on a website builder. It's so simple. We also have a video to share with your web developer, along with your code snippets, that ensures they know how to set up various plugins on your community websites. Now, let's go back to the plugin page on our dashboard so I can show you one more thing. Click this arrow on the far right if you ever need to find and copy the code snippets again for various plugins. You can also click the Edit button from this page to make changes to your plugins directly from our dashboard. When editing a plugin, you cannot change the type of plugin or the layout, but you may update the plugin name and URL where it's embedded. And most importantly, at any time, you can make changes to what information you are including, co-promoted events, your own events, and/or changes to the zip code options. You can also make changes to your category selection. When you are done, be sure to click Update Plugin. This means that any web page where this code snippet is embedded will automatically be updated with your changes. Thanks for joining me today. Don't miss our second plugin tutorial where I will create other plugin types, such as directory, experiences, and jobs, and customize them further. As always, if you need more help, connect with our support team by sending an email to support@whatsup247.com.